So today's topic is going to be about marine insurance. Here we are in November. We're almost near the end of the year. It's a perfect time of the year to take a look at your marine insurance programs. Your boat's put away, or at least here in the Northeast it is. And it's time before you go for the holiday season, maybe go through the list and all your inventory, your equipment aboard on the boat. While you're doing that, look at your marine insurance coverage. Pull your old policy out. Look at the value of your boat. Look at the equipment coverages. Make sure you don't have any gaps there. Yes, I know the rates are going through the roof. I get it. They're all expensive. It doesn't matter what company's out there. They all took a rate increase over the last 2.5 years, and I don't see that coming down. So to protect yourself, if you're going to have a boat, you should obviously look at the coverages first. Make sure you have the proper valuation. Don't overpay for the value. There's no reason to overinsure. It doesn't matter what market value is. It's what you have truly in the boat, in your investment. Don't say I bought it for 60, but they're selling for 75. It doesn't matter. The insurance companies are rating and covering you based upon your investment, the VIN number. This is not a replacement cost policy. So it doesn't matter if it increases in value. Only protect what you put into the boat. That's part one. Second, look at your equipment. Many companies give you personal property, and that's basically you take the boat, you shake it upside down, anything that falls out, that's personal property. It's not always fishing equipment. It can be, but fishing tackle, if you've got a lot of pen reels, etc., I would tell you to go get a fishing rider or an equipment rider for that. There are companies that offer that. But really take inventory of your boat. Yeti coolers, fenders, dock lines, all that are included in personal property. It's not part of the hull value. And most importantly, electronics. A lot of our clients will buy a boat at a good price. Even in our brokerage division, we'll sell a boat that's undervalued. But they have to put $10,000 worth of electronics into the boat. Now, putting in electronics, if it's part of the hull, it becomes part of the hull value. So you should increase the value there. But remember, you're subject to the hull deductible if there's ever a loss. Some companies do offer electronic deductibles. Really talk to your agent about that. We have a couple of companies that have that. So you're talking about your rates, your coverages. This is the best way to combat these rate increases that are going through, is to make sure that you're just not overpaying and getting not a lot of fluff that you don't need. Another recommendation is buy a tow plan through one of the tow companies, Sea-Tow, Boat US Tow. Great programs. I recommend that highly because the insurance company is tow reimbursement for an emergency only. So their job is to get you to the safest dock. It could be literally across the river. So you really want to have the ability to have jump starts, etc. Some carriers do have a little bit more of an extended tow plan. If that's really important to you, spend a few dollars there. But I always recommend buying a separate tow program, similar to AAA like we have for our cars. It's well worth the money. I highly recommend that. And the most important thing that I'm going to say today is, don't think you ever have a comprehensive insurance plan. There's no such thing. I don't know why agents say that or why people consider a comprehensive. There is none. I wish that word would disappear from the lexicon from the insurance world. You want comprehensive coverage, it means you have to literally work with an agent or a broker like myself that works through each individual boat and tailor make or bespoke make those kind of policies for your boat and your boat alone. Don't worry about the guy down the block or down the dock. There's no comparison. We can all have the same identical boats, and the rates are going to be different anyway because our age, our credit, etc. There's a lot that goes into the rates. Not like the old days when I had hair and we could just pop in a number based on value. No, today there's a lot of algorithms involved in it, and the underwriting is a lot more controlled. So it doesn't matter what the guy down the dock has as far as coverages and rates. Our rates are never going to be the same. So we always work on a bespoke type of idea or a custom-made insurance policy. We have enough coverages and add-ons and deletions that we can add to a policy to protect your specific needs. Some people don't care about tow reimbursement plans. That's fine. Take the insurance program. Some people don't navigate after November 1st. Fine, add a layup period. There are so many ways to save money on these policies. Don't just take everything on face value. If you want to get a quote or you want to review the coverages, call the office, 732-892-8826. Don't forget to smash that like button. The algorithm at YouTube and all the Instagram, social media sites are really following us now. So if you want more of this type of contact, please hit the like button. We appreciate it. And otherwise, CampoSanoMarine.com.